Good morning, all of you. Today we have explained chapter 7, class 7th. Our topics: weather, climate, and adaptation of animal to climate. In this chapter, you have understand different type of animal and plant survive in our life in our climatic condition. You must have heard the cricket expert discuss the weather before the starting of the game. Have you ever wondered why the weather may have a profound effect on the game? A cloudy weather can the change course of a cricket match or stop it along together by bringing shower of rain. Similarly, you must have also heard elder in your family discuss the weather before planning of family function. If the weather is waterproof pandal, if the weather is going to be cloud, they would suggest to have closed pandal. In fact, many of our daily activities are planned as per weather predicted for that day. The weather has profound effect on our lives. We find daily report of weather on the television, radio, and in the newspaper. You ask to carry wooden cloth when you are planning to go to hill station because the climate of the hill station is always cold. You need not carry woolen cloth. If you are going to coastal area like Goa and Mumbai, because the climate here is not cold, it is important to understand that there is difference between weather and climate. In the chapter, we will study about weather and climate. We will also see how different animals are adapted to the climate of their habitat. For our topic, weather. Some newspaper carry whatever data for some of major cities. Television and radio, newspaper, bulletins also include weather reports. This helps us plan our activity according to the weather and allows people to be prepared for bad weather. A simple of weather report from a newspaper is going in. We get following information from this weather report. Maximum 36.5 degrees Celsius in bracket plus 3. Minimum temperature 28.6 degrees Celsius plus 2. Moonrise Sunday minus 4.5 p.m. Moonset on Monday 3:03 a.m. Sunset Sunday 7:11 p.m. Sunrise Monday 5:44 a.m. Party cloud sky. Thunder development likely in some area. Maximum and minimum thermometer on Sunday likely to be 37 degrees Celsius and 28 degrees Celsius. Maximum humidity on the Saturday was 66%, minimum 53%. Temperature. The maximum temperature during the past 24 hours was 36.5 degrees Celsius, increasing 3 degrees. In bracket means that maximum temperature in 3 degrees Celsius above to the normal temperature. The minimum temperature during the past 24 hours 28.6 degrees Celsius plus 2 in bracket means minimum temperature is 2 degrees Celsius above the normal temperature. Moonrise and moonset. Moon will be rise on the Sunday at 4:45 p.m. and will set on Monday at 3:03 a.m. Sunset and sunrise. The sun will be set on the Sunday at 7:11 p.m. and will rise on the Monday at 5:44 p.m. On humidity, the maximum humidity recorded in the past 24 hours 66% and minimum humidity was 53%. We have explained as a record of newspaper. Weather forecasting. The forecast of the weather for the day tell us that partly cloudy sky. Thunder day development is likely in the some area. The maximum and minimum temperature predicted for the day in 37 degrees Celsius and 28 degrees respectively. We find that daily weather report cities information about the temperature, humidity, and rainfall during the past 24 hours. It also gives the time of the sunset, sunrise, sunset, moonrise, moonset. The weather report also predict the weather for the day. The atmosphere condition on the particular day at a place with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall, speed and direction of wind, etc. is called the weather. The temperature, humidity and other factors are called the element of the weather. Repeat the definition for weather and element of weather. the atmosphere condition on the particular day at a place with respect to temperature, humidity, rainfall, speed, and direction of the wind is called weather. The temperature, humidity, and other factors are called element of the weather. Now, the sun causes change in the weather. The sun causes change in the weather. All changes in weather are caused by the sun. The sun is a hub, the spheres of the hot gases at very high temperature. It is the source of all heat and light on the earth. The sun heat absorbed and reflected by the earth's surface, ocean, and atmosphere play in the important role determining the temperature at any place. If the temperature of air around us on the particular day is high, we say that the weather is hot. If temperature on the particular day is low, we say that weather is cold. The sun heat causes the water from the ocean and land is evaporated to from water vapors. The water vapors rise high up in the atmosphere, get cooled, condenses, and forms clouds. If there is a lot of vapors in the air, we say that weather is humid. We know that the sun heats up the earth's surface. The hot surface of the earth heats the air near it. This hot air rises up, creating an area of low pressure air from high pressure area moves towards the low pressure area. This moving area is called wind. So it is the sun heat because cause wind to blow. From the above discussion, we concluded that the sun causes hot weather, cold weather, humid weather, rainy weather, windy weather. In fact, all the change in weather are caused by the sun. Now we have explained elements of the weather. Maximum minimum temperature. The highest temperature recorded during the day is called maximum temperature. The lowest temperature recorded during the day is called minimum temperature. The maximum and minimum temperature are recorded with the help of a special thermometer called maximum minimum temperature. Maximum minimum thermometer. To prepare weather report, the maximum and minimum temperature reached during the whole day are recorded. The minimum temperature for a particular day is recorded in the early morning. As the day advances, it becomes warmer. The direct sun ray heat up the ground and surroundings air to very large extent. The maximum temperature for particular day is reached sometime in the afternoon. This makes the surrounded very hot and understand unbearable during the summer. For this reason, we feel so miserable in the afternoon during the summer. On the topic humidity, Humidity is the measure of moisture percentage in the air. When the amount of water vapors in the air is high, we say that humidity is high. The weather report in the newspaper show humidity in percentage. Actually, show relative humidity. Relative humidity is the amount of water vapors present in the air. It is expressed as percentage of maximum amount of water vapors in the air can held on the temperature. Humidity of 100% at a particular temperature means that the air is started with water vapors at the temperature. Humidity of 50% means that air contains half amount of water vapors required for situation of the temperature. The relative humidity of the air does not remain constant over the day. For the region, weather reports show two figures: maximum relative humidity and maximum minimum relative humidity. Relative humidity is measured with the help of an instrument called hygrometer. Rain and snow. When the water droplets join together and become heavy, they come down as rainfall. When the temperature is very low, the water droplets in the cloud freeze into the crystal of ice and fall down as snow falls. It is generally measured in millimeter with the help of an instrument called rain gauge. Rain gauge is measuring cylinder with a funnel at the top of collect rainwater and rainwater. Rain gauge measure the rainfall at a place in unit millimeter. Now we have explained climate. Meteorologists record the weather at the various places every day. The record of weather have been preserved for the past several decades. These records help the meteorologist determining the weather pattern at a place. The average weather pattern at a place taken over a long period of time is called climate of the place. Wind. Now explain the topic wind. The moving air is called wind. During wind, when the wind blows from the mountain of northern India towards the northern place, the plain becomes very cold during the summer. The wind blows from the western India towards central and eastern India. These regions become very hot. For example, the temperature in the Himalayan region is very low most the most of the time. That is why The climate of Himalayan region is very cold. The temperature in the Thar desert is high of the time. That is why the climate of Thar desert is very hot in some part of the Meghalaya. The average normal annual rainfall is 260 centimeter and above. It rains almost every day. The climate in Meghalaya is hot and humid. In Jaisalmer, Rajasthan, annual rainfall is 10 to 12 degree, 10 to 12 centimeter in a year. We say Jaisalmer has hot and dry climate. Weather describe short-term atmosphere condition of the place. Weather climate describes the long-term average weather condition of the particular state, region, weather at a place change suddenly and is applicable to a small area, maybe city or small group of the city, while climate change takes place very slowly over a long period of time and is applicable to a much longer area, maybe state of a region. Now we have start factors determining climate: distance from the equator, altitude, distance from the sea, winds, human activity. Distance from the equator, the topic of the cancer passes almost halfway through India. The southern India lies the tropical zones and northern India above the tropical of the cancer lies in the subtropical zones. As the place below the tropical of Cancer or near to the equator, they experience high temperature. This is because the sun rays fall directly on the equator. Lower and latitude, higher the temperature, and higher the altitude, lower the temperature. Altitude, place located on the high altitude on hills and mountains like Simla, Srinagar, and Koti are cooler than place in Maine. In plain like Lucknow and Allahabad, mountain can change or even stop wind and rainfall and hence affect climate. Distance from sea. The sea have a moderate temperature. In the coastal area, that means that area close to the sea do not experience a large variation in the temperature across season. The place near the coastal, such as Mumbai and Chennai, experience less variation in the temperature than place far away from the sea, which tend to have extreme climate with hot summer and very cold winter. By wind, wind blowing from mountain region during the wind month cause cold waves. During summer, hot and dry wind cause hot waves, which increases the temperature. Climate depend on the weather, wind or hot or cold and humid or dry. by human activity such as industrialization. A very large quantity of the fossil fuel is utilized by the industry. The use of fossil fuel is responsible for the increasing carbon dioxide concentration in the atmosphere, thereby cause acid rain and pollution. Deforestation, large-scale cutting of tree results in an increased amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. This increased carbon dioxide in the atmosphere cause an increase in the temperature of atmosphere, thereby affecting the climate. Now we have explained next topic, climate and adaptation in our surroundings. Thank you, goodbye, and have a nice day.